I'm Beth, and today I'm going to teach you a solo rumba beginner routine. I'm going to start off by demonstrating the routine for you, and then I'm going to break down each section so you can follow along. Okay, so the first section of the routine, watch it first to see what it's supposed to look like, and then I'm going to turn around so it's easy for you to follow along. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that is our first section. Now let's give it a go. So we are stepping over on our left leg on 4. We're not going to step on 1. We're going to close our feet, bringing our right leg through on and. We're going to step back on 2, 2. Or step forward on 3, 3. And then to step to on the 4, we're going to bring our feet, brush it, before stepping to the right on 4. One more time. Stepping over to the left, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Remembering to brush our feet in between each step. Now we're going to step forward with our left. 2, and 3, and 4. So you should notice that every time I step and bring it, if I want to step to the side, I have a track. So I don't just step over to the side, I bring it through to go out. So imagine brushing your feet is like coming home before you go out. So we step out, we come home, and then we go out again. From the beginning, should be on your right leg, stepping over on your left. 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Transferring your weight onto that left leg. We should have no weight on our right because we are now going to go into a New Yorker. Once again, we bring our foot home. We're going to turn over that left leg before stepping forward on the right. Let's try that again. So we have our weight on our left. Our right leg is free. We come home. We swivel around on our left leg, finishing that hip backwards, stepping forward into a check, into the New Yorker before stepping back. And then, you guessed it, what's next? We come home. We swivel around that left leg before stepping out again to our right. From the beginning, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Let's do that one more time. Try to add that Cuban action in between the steps. We're doing it on the ends. 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. So we have our weight on our right leg. You should be able to lift up your left leg. So try that. If you can't, that tells me you're on the wrong leg. So once again, we are on our right leg. We are now going to go into a spot turn. How do we do that? We swivel. Once again, we're coming home. Swivel around on the right leg, stepping forward on the left. We're switching. Our weight should be on our left leg now. Switching before stepping on our right, coming home, and to the side. Let's try that again. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Very good. One more time. Remember, your weight should be on your right leg. And we do the action on and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Very good. Let's go one time from the beginning. Remember, we step over onto our left leg to prepare on the 4. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 New Yorker, 2 and 3 and 4, spot turn, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Very good. I think we are ready for our next steps. So I'm going to demonstrate them for you, then turn around so you can follow. Okay, from the spot turn, then adding the new steps. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's give that a go. Let's go from the last step, which is a spot turn, to our right. 4, 1, stepping through on the left. 2, 3, and 4, 1. We now have a turn, but this time we're going to brush our feet in between like we didn't do on the spot turn. So we step over on 2, we brush, stepping on 3, brush to the side on 4. So I'm going to show you the spot turn, and then you're going to see the difference to the Alemanna. Spot turn, we can bring our feet through there, but this part, I'm not bringing that right leg in. So you see, it's more of a switch. And then, of course, we can bring it together to go to the side. One more time, spot turn, switch, my feet aren't coming together. And now for the Alemanna turn, I step, bring my feet together, step, and of course, bring my feet together before going to the side. So let's try that again from the spot turn. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1 Alemanna, 2 together, 3 together, out to the side. So our weight is on our right leg. We're now going to do a Cuban motion. 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Finishing our weight on our right. Let's try that again from the Alemanna, which is the last turn, stepping to our left. And 2, brush, step, brush, step over on our right. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Very good. Let's try one time from the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 New Yorker, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 spot turn, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 Alemanna, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So in this last step, I really want you to think you're drawing an 8 with your hips. So we go forward, around, forward, forward, around, forward. Of course, we don't want to accentuate that back. We want to draw an 8 with our hips, remembering we don't want to go too far back with our backside. So let's try again. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Finishing up on that right leg. Okay, for our next section, once again, I'm going to demonstrate how it should look, and then I'm going to turn around so you can follow me easily. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, let's give that a go. We are on our right leg. So we're going to step forward with our left. 2 and 3 and to the side. And back and forward and forward. Let's try that again. And forward with our left. 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so we are on our right leg, we are going to do a forward walk turning. So we move our weight forward on the right, switching to go back the other way. Okay, let's try that again. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and forward walk, turning. Our weight should still be on our right leg, so I don't want you to transfer it to your left just yet. Let's try just the forward walk turning. So we step forward on our right leg on 4. 4, 1, and we now step forward on our left leg on 2. 2, we step forward with our right leg on 3, and then we have another forward walk turning. 4, 1, and. Very good. Okay, that section again, we're going to step forward with our left leg on 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 2, 3, 4, turn. This is where we finish. We should have our weight on our left leg and our right leg pointed. Let's try from the very beginning. We're going to step over on our left leg on 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 New Yorker, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 spot turn, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 Alemanna close, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turning. Very good. Okay, let's try that again, but we're just going to go from the forward work turning, starting with our right on 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, forward work turning, 4, 1. We now step into our right leg on 2, forward. We are then stepping over on 3. Now we close our feet on 4, switching our weight on 1. Very good. Let's try that one more time from the forward work, turning, starting with our right leg. 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Okay, we come into our final section of the routine. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to turn around so you can follow along with me. So we just finished with our feet switched. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then we go back to the beginning. Let's give that a go. Okay, we go into our next step, which is called a Cucaracha. We have our weights on our right leg. So we're going to go side and together, side and together, and one last time, side and together, to then go back into our routine on 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, and then it continues into the New Yorker. Let's try that one more time. Remember, we've just switched our weight, so our weight is on our right leg. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Once again, with the Cucaracha, what I want you to do is to draw an 8 with your hips. So we go forward, around, and together, forward, around, and together. Remembering to bring those feet together, forward, around, together. Very good. Let's try that one more time, and then we're going to go from the top. Ready? We're going to step over onto our left on 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. It is time to go from the beginning. Stepping over on our left leg on 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, New Yorker. 2 and 3 and 4, spot turn. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Alemanna brush. 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and turn, 1. 2 and 3 and turn, 1. 2 and side, together, and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4, beginning. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 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 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 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 4, 1. And 2 and 3 and 4, the end. All right, that brings us to the end of today's class. You have learned a beginner solo rumba routine. You can practice from home or anywhere you'd like. Hopefully you did enjoy it. I enjoyed teaching it today. And if you did like it, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see our next videos.